Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In this video we're gonna make 3 different magical boho inspired room decor out of air drying clay. We will make a moon phase wall decor, a Crescent Moon Insent holder and a magic hand jewelry dish. We will need some air drying clay, some water, flowers, lace ribbon, X-Acto knives, a bowl, a bottle, a lid and a wooden sledge to form the clay. First, knead the clay to make it flexible. Then use the bottle to roll out a half a centimeter thick plate. First, we start with the hand jewelry dish. So you lay down your hand on the clay and mark it with the wooden slat. Then you cut the shape with the X-Acto knife. Next you lay down one of the leaves and the flowers to make a nice decorative pattern. Now you place the hand on the bowl to give it the right shape and leave it to dry overnight. The next morning you can pull away the leaf to reveal the pattern in the hand. Now we're gonna use some acrylic paint to paint some magic inspired symbols onto the hand. Here I add some color into the leaf pattern to make it more visible, but I regretted this step later on, so I wouldn't recommend it because it just looks a little bit dirty. Now our jewelry dish is finished. I absolutely love how it turned out. Let's get on with our moon phase wall decor hanger by rolling out some more clay and starting to create a round shape. Then place some flowers and leaves like you want it onto your shape and use the wooden sledge to make a hole in the upper part of your clay circle. Now repeat this process, but instead of doing a full circle, create 2 half circles. Now repeat the process for a 3rd time for the crescent moon. Now leave it to dry overnight, then peel back the flowers and the leaves. Now measure some lace ribbon for each moon and tie it to make a hanger. Now you need a branch or any kind of wooden stick to hang your moon phases. Now use some more lace ribbon to create one big wall hanger to put the branch onto your wall. Now on to our third clay DIY room decor for today, the Crescent Moon Insent Holder. Again, you start with rolling out your clay, but this time you need a way bigger part of clay to fit your crescent moon. I measured out with my incense how long it should be and used a template I cut from a magazine beforehand to trace the moon shape onto my clay. Now I add flowers and leaves for the pattern and fold over the edge of the crescent moon to create the rim. Then I add a little hole in the rim, which will later hold the incense. After leaving it to dry overnight, I used some watered down black ink to create a splattered paint effect. For the next step, I removed the leaves and the flowers, and then our Crescent Moon Incense Holder is finished. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want me to do more DIY videos in the future, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. If you want to join me on my creative journey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below.